Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually apply for the Indigo credit card. Now, this credit card is like an easy credit card for you guys to get, and all you have to do is just go ahead and see if you pre-qualify for what it's saying. It's not going to impact your credit score. So let's go ahead and get into it and see if we can actually get approved for this credit card, right? So let's go ahead and see if we can pre-qualify now with no impact to our credit score. So let's put our name here. That's actually just put Rickita. I keep putting the other name. Just don't want to use mine, but that's fine. Put your first last name there. Put your address. Put your address. Put your zip code. And you're gonna put your date of birth here. You must be at least 18 for this credit card. And in Alabama, you have to wait till you're 19 to get a credit card. Wow. That's something new I learned. Put your social security in. And then go ahead and put your put your email address in. Put your phone number in. So all you have to do is basically fill out this application. I filled it out with you. So hopefully this was useful, me filling it out with you to make sure that you're actually making sure you fill in every line. If you have a middle initial, you can go ahead and put it in, but I usually don't suggest it. And I have 2 middle names, so I don't suggest putting that there. Now, right here, they'll let you go ahead and pick which card that you want. Like, which card would you get? I actually like this because I really want to go to the beach right now. So I will actually pick this Indigo card right here. Now, let's go down. Now, listen, this credit card is easy, but they have an annual fee for the first year is $75. And then after that is $99 every year. Then they have another one. That's where your credit is like so bad, but they barely let you through the door. Then they have another one where you can get in with a $59 annual fee, and then another one with a $0 annual fee. That means you're not paying anything annually. So every year they're going to take that money off of your credit card. If you don't have that money there, you're going to be over the limit on your credit card. So I want to make sure you guys keep that in mind when you're trying to get this credit card. Now, look here at the APR. It's 24.9%. 24.9%. So it's similar to like the Victoria's Secrets. We already know that was 4.92. Go ahead and look at their electronic disclosures. Click here if you actually agree to them. If you click there, that means you agree to them. And then 2, let's see if you pre-qualify now. Now, I know this is not going to go through, and I really don't want to click that button, but they'll let you know at that time if you're actually approved for the credit card and then how much. And then they'll send you that credit card. I recently get approved for this. She actually left me a review too. Thank you so much, Tia, for leaving me a review. She got a credit card, and her credit score at the time I think was like, I don't know. I actually don't remember, and I don't want to say it. I'll say her name anyway. So, but you guys can get it because she got approved for this credit card. So you guys can possibly get it. So go ahead and apply for it and see if you get approved. Let me know if this video was useful in terms of filling out the application for Indigo too. So just go to their website, which is here. I'll make sure I give you the website in the description. Go to the website, see if you can get approved for the credit card. Now, if you can't get approved for the credit card, that means we need to delete some of them negative items on your credit report. So make sure you guys let me know if you have any negative items on your credit reports that we need to get removed, because we can help you remove those items. Go ahead and call us. Look in the description and schedule a call to try to see what we have to do to get those items removed from your credit reports. Again, have a great one. Bye-bye.